Hi guys, so I'm pretty much just going to jump straight into this look. So today I'm going to be creating a soft glam look. So first of all, what I love to do is clip my hair back with these little clips. And for primer I'm going to be using the Colour Pro Strobe Perfect. You've seen me use this quite a few times. I really love this primer because it basically blurs your skin out, so it creates such a nice base for your foundation to go onto. And I love the illuminating effect. I've never used an illuminating primer before and I really love this. So I just start by patting it onto my skin to really press it into my skin, and then just using my fingers just start rubbing it into my skin. I like doing this before doing my face makeup because whilst I do my eye makeup it's going to kind of have time to sink into my skin. So for brows I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow definer. Really am loving this brow definer. I think it's really easy to use as well, and then I use a spoolie at the end just to brush them out. So as I said, I'm going to be doing a soft glam look, so I'm using the Anastasia soft glam palette and I'm just taking that orange soda colour and working it into my crease. Then I'm going to pick up that kind of reddy orange colour and just using a bit of a thinner brush I'm just going to apply that just below the crease. Then with some concealer I'm just going to use my finger and just pop it on my lids. Then with the colour Sultry I'm going to pop that over the concealer. For the inner corners I'm going to be using the colour Fairy. Now for foundation I'm using the W7 Genius foundation. I have quite a lot to say about this. I feel like it's a very good foundation. It goes on really nice. The only thing about it is you have to work it into your skin by sections. So I'm doing this section first because I find that it dries out if I do the whole lot in one go. So I like to do section by section. But the coverage is pretty good. So just using a stippling brush, I like to go over the foundation just to make sure it's all blended in nicely and also bring it down to my neck. For concealer I'm using my oldie favourite, which is the Tarte Tape Shape Concealer, and this is in the shade Medium Light. I love this concealer, I have nothing bad to say about it. If you really want a concealer that's really full coverage, really easy application, this is your guy, because this is your girl, because this is such a good concealer. I love how it blends out, I love the formula, I love the application, and the coverage is beautiful. Snugs loves being on YouTube. She's in every video, I'm sure. So for contour I'm going to be using the KKW Beauty Contour Stick. And I'm just, again I have a lot to say about this product as well. This product is really good, but the colour is very dark, so you have to be careful with how much you put on. I mean, I'm not my tannedest at the moment, so I'm just going really lightly with this, but I do love this contour stick. It's very easy to blend out, which is a good thing. I've been using a beauty blender to blend my contour out lately. I just feel like it looks a lot better because usually I use a brush, and sometimes when I use a brush it just completely disappears. Now to kind of deepen that contour up, I'm going to be using the Shade and Light palette, and I'm going to go for that middle shade. And I'm just going to kind of use like a small dome brush and just squeeze the bristles together, just to kind of really get into that contour, and then I'm going to blend it out nicely. Now using the white colour in this palette, which is called Lyric, I'm going to just use this to kind of set under my eyes. Just everywhere where we concealed. And this is my favourite part, which I only do when I'm doing kind of glam looks. I carve out my contour just using this shade. Just basically carving out that contour to make it look a lot more sharper and a lot more defined. For bronze, this is a different one, guys. I'm using a Sunkissed product, and these are the Bronze in Pearls. I'm in love with these. It's instant bronze. Love them. For blusher, I'm using a Gosh blusher. And for highlight, you know what I'm using. I'm going to be using that Wet n Wild highlighter because I am obsessed with this highlighter. If you are just looking for a cheap highlighter that will just do everything, full glam, baby glam, every day, this is the highlighter you need. It's so cheap, it's so beautiful. I'm obsessed. I need to restock on this straight away. I never want to run out of this. Lip liner, I'm using the W7 in the shade Rust. For my everyday looks, I usually just do a little bit of lip liner, but also fill in my lips with the lip liner and just kind of rock that look. Like if I want to go out in the day, I'll just put a hat on and just put a little bit of lip liner on and it works. But today, I'm going to be going full glam, and I'm going to be using that beautiful lipstick that I've got, and I am obsessed with it. It's in the shade Apples and Pears. It's the most gorgeous colour ever. Liam says it really suits me. It's like an autumn fall colour, and I really love it. To finish this look off, I'm going to be using the facial setting spray, the Instant Matte. And that's it, guys. That is the look that I've created today. I love this palette. I definitely recommend you guys to get your hands on it. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe if you really did enjoy it. And I love you guys. Bye.